Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some shorts. They come packed super thin, but then when you open it up, the air gets in them and they become nice little linen shorts. So this is it here. They have some stripes on them. I think I got, size large. And they look like they're going to be super comfortable. They feel super soft. You can't see the softness of them, but I'm going to show you guys what they look like here. I will put them on. Let me switch it out here. Sorry, I have paint on my shirt and everything. I've been painting a lot lately, but here we go. Okay, so here, I will aim you guys down here a little bit. So you can see I'm about 180 something pounds and about 5'10" to give you an idea of it. They are super soft and comfy. I'm going on a cruise soon and needed some good nautical looking shorts or something like that to wear. So these are them here. They fit good. They got a nice long go down there. Got the string here, which is good, so I can tie this up. And then, oh, nice deep pockets there. It'll totally fit my phone or something. This is a huge battery pack, but give you an idea, it just goes right on in there. So that is good. Nice and comfortable. There's a little pocket back here too, so that is good too. And these are just soft and comfortable. Got a little tag on there too. It says classic wear best, and it has some style 1979. So I was 10 years old, I guess, when they made that style. But there we go. Super comfortable, super good. If you need some good looking shorts, these are them. Thumbs up.